Hello there, and welcome to the final instalment of this B2 mock. And it's just the last question now, so 6 of 6. Remember, the science papers you're going to be doing in the summer are 6 questions. Okay, so this is the final one, and let's have a read. So we know it's enzyme related because I've already talked about what to look for at the top. So pectinase, A's is an enzyme that is an extract from apple juice. In investigation, 1 centimetre of pectinase was added to 1 kilogram of chopped up tomatoes, look at me, apples. After 20 minutes, the volume of juice produced was measured. So if you want to help you visualise it, which I'm doing now in my head, so you've got chopped up apples here, and you've got pectinase in there, and then after 20 minutes, they're just measuring how much juice or how much has been broken down. So this enzyme is breaking these apples down. And then after 20 minutes, there'll be a new level of apple juice. And that's what they're measuring here. Okay, so volume of pectinase added, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we've got a missing spot here. Estimate the volume that should be produced when 3 centimetre cubed pectinase is added. So what is this number, question mark? An estimate, we can't do it exactly, but we can have a rough guess. We know it's in between 212 and 269, but we need to be a little bit closer than that. So how do we get closer than that? Well, we'll say, right, this difference is 38. 32 even. This difference is 30. So roughly, 31. Roughly, we're looking at adding on 30. So let's just add 30 on. So I'd say that is going to be 242. 242. Now, looking at the exam scheme here, it'll accept any number from 230 to 250. So it's a big old space there. 20 you can be out. Now, my number that I've chosen is bang in the middle. It's just because I'm the best, of course. Now, the maximum volume of apple juice that can be produced is 500. So the maximum juice you can get in 20 minutes is 500. Calculate the percentage produced when 5 centimetres of pectinase was added. So you go back to your table. 5 centimetres got us 300. It got us 300. So what percentage of that is it of the total you could get? So when you do percentage, you always put the bigger number on the bottom. So 300 divided by 500 into your calculator. You press equals, and then you times by 100. And that will give you 60%. And those of you who are maths savvy should be able to work out that 3/5 is actually 60%. Okay? Right then. Here we go. Suggest 2 ways of increasing the volume of apple juice produced when 5 centimetre cubed pectinase is added to. Now, a lot of you said add more pectinase, but you can't do that because it's already told you can only use 5 centimetres. You can the enzyme and the chopped apples can't change. So, looking at rates of reaction that we've been doing in chemistry, you could increase the surface area of the apples, chop the apples up more.